Hi, what's up, Ecash coin holder? So what's going on? This is live price prediction of Ecash coin, my friend, and today I will give you something very special information about Ecash coin, my friend. So therefore, the video is very important. Kindly must watch this complete video to understand better. First of all, my friend, I'm going to show you the update, but please subscribe this channel, my friend. As you can see here, this time Ecash coin price were fails down in last 24 hours 0.35%. That's really bad news, my friend, and the price is increasing now, so that's really bad news. But I hope, my friends, they will recover all the loss, because in last 7 days, my friend, if we see to the total average is going very good now. As you can see, my friend, this time the market cap is also decreased now 0.53%. Fully diluted market cap is also increased now. Volume is also, my friend, 0.51%, fails down. But this, you can see, my friend, this time the circulating supply is 18 billion, my friend. You can see, so that's going very good now. I hope, my friends, they will get a very good profit, but please, you will need, my friends, to hold now. This time, my friends, just and only check out the chart. This time Ecash chart is completely show you to the profit is less than from a loss. That's mean to they are all lost now. When the price will fails down from resistance line, so that's mean to the price will completely lost now. So therefore, I will clearly notify you to please hold now. And as you can see, this chart is clearly tell you, my friends, to the price will decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So therefore, I will notify you to please don't starting selling, and just and only you will need to hold now. If you are hold, so I hope, my friend, in upcoming time, my friend, Ecash will completely pumps up and they will give you a profit. See you next time. Please like, and yes, my brother, please and please subscribe our YouTube channel for more step informative videos.